when I find myself in those let's call them creative lows, I get in the studio and I program drums and I enjoy myself. I'm making music. I'm listening to music. And, you might stumble across a new plugin that has a really cool kind of arpeggiator bass line, and you're off to the fucking races. The writer's block is gone.
Love it. So it's basically show up and trust that it will come back. So go and have fun.
100%.
It will come back.
The days of being worried, I'm done, I'm out of ideas, what am I going to do now? I got to get a job. I'm talking years ago, right? Those days are gone because you have to trust the process. And the process is sometimes you're going to have days when you show up to the blank canvas and you got nothing to fucking draw, nothing to paint. So in those instances, what do? You take out a sketch pad and you start doodling. So that's my doodling.